Hi guys, this is Anmol from Stalin Automobili. In this vlog, I'll be sharing you how to save your car batteries from draining during lockdown period or when you are planning to park them for more than 2 to 3 weeks. Remember, this procedure is only for Hyundai and Kia car owners or who are planning to buy Hyundai or Kia cars. So guys, let's start with the procedure. First, we have to open the fuse box which is located on the lower side of the dashboard. So I open. So what we'll see now is this on off switch. Okay, currently it is on side, so now I'll slide this to off position. Okay, now let's put back the fuse box cover. So after sliding the switch to off position, we'll find this showing up on the instrument display, this fuse on, which means that we have switched off the fuse box. Okay, you guys must be wondering that how turning the fuse box off will save your car battery from draining. Well, actually, the car is parked and turned off. The current keeps on running into the electrical wires and electrical systems, and there are some electrical system which keeps on running 24/7. For example, is we have clock, the trip meters, the center locking sensors. By turning off the fuse box, the current stops flowing in the electrical wires and electrical components. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes to get this into action or to see the results, because right now, like after turning the switch off, some current is there in the wires and some systems will still work. For example, after turning this key to off position, the cabin light is also working, and I'll show you the center locking response. Even the center locking is also working. So guys, it's been around 20 minutes. Let's test. The center locking of my car is not working. The car is not unlocking. See, the car is locked. Now I have to unlock it manually. So I've unlocked the car. Only the driver's lock is unlocked. Rest all are locked. As you can see, there's no cabin light working. Now I turn on the parking lights and the headlight. Even the parking lights are not switched on, and the fog lights. And the electric mirrors are not unfolding. Even this is not working. So let's insert the key and rotate it to the on side and see what's the time. It's showing 12 a.m. Okay, which means the clock is reset. The fuse on sign is still flashing on the information display. Now I'll press the trip button. As you can see, trip A, trip B, average speed, average hours, they all are reset. Even the cabin light started working. Now I'll turn on the parking lights and headlight. As you can see, they all are on. This is because when I rotated the key to on side, the current started flowing to the all the electrical components and wires. Okay, and this will take another 20 minutes from current to stop flowing, because the fuse switch is still off. And to turn the fuse box on, just open it and we'll slide back the fuse button to on position, and everything gets back to normal. For example, I'll show you here. Now fuse on sign is not coming up here anymore. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay tuned. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.